Hi guys, this is Kenya with Kenya's Decor Corner, and today is part 3 in my summer home tour series. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into this home tour by starting in my kitchen. And like my previous 2 videos, I will be just speaking a little bit throughout this video, and then I will allow you guys to just enjoy the tour, and then I'll check back in with you towards the end. But before I do all of that, let me say hello. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. For my faithful family members, you guys know I love you so very much. And as I said, we've started in the kitchen already, and you guys, you may have already seen how I decorated my coffee bar in a previous video that I will have linked in the iCards above. And I'm just going to show you guys around the kitchen and some of the decor that I did add throughout, and I will chime in here or there to just discuss certain areas. But of course, if you guys have any questions about anything that you see, just leave a comment in the comment section and I will be sure to answer. Alrighty guys, so I hope that you will enjoy this tour, and I will see you back in just a bit. And here guys, you all may remember seeing how I did my kitchen island vignette. I did do that in a previous video, so I will have that video linked in the iCards above as well. And as you can see here on my kitchen island, I am showcasing the Dollar Tree lemon bowls that I picked up last season. And I also have the beautiful lemon runner that I picked up from Amazon this season. And I think they are almost an exact match. They look so beautiful together, and I really love how this lemon and lime theme looks in my kitchen. And I should also say that I have mixed in some faux lemons with some actual lemons. So they're all mixed in. Some are faux and some are real. Now as we move closer to this side of my kitchen area, I always get so many comments on where did I get this huge blessed sign. So I will say that was from Kirkland's a few years ago, maybe 2 years ago. And so I love it. It's perfectly there under my cabinets. And the top of my cabinets are decorated with items that I've gotten from many places, but that scripture there is from Hobby Lobby. And now we are transitioning into the living room, which is my favorite part of the house. I think it is so cheerful and just so lovely. I really and truly love all of the pops of yellow, and it's just so bright and it makes me happy. So I hope that you guys like this look as well. I did show you all in the previous video a haul of the pillow covers that I got from Amazon, and all of the yellow flowers that I did pick up from Walmart, actually on clearance for 25 cents for each little bundle. So that was a great deal. So yeah, I'll just bring you guys in for a closer look at all of the decor in the living room. You guys may also remember the video where I did my fireplace mantle decor. I did share with you guys how I put this look together, so if you're interested in seeing that video, I will also have it linked in the iCards above as well. So as you guys can see, the living room and the kitchen are open to each other, and so I really wanted to create a look that was cohesive, that really spoke to each area so they coordinate with each other. So on my pillows there, I have the yellow and green pillows to go along with the lemon and limes in the kitchen. And also on the bike pillows, they have lemons and florals. And so I thought it was just the perfect element to tie everything together. And I'm just really happy with how it turned out. And here's a close-up of those pillow covers so you can see. I'm just really happy with it. I think it's so super cute. And of course I have the Hello Summer lemon pillow as well. And you can also see that the living room is also open to the dining room. So yeah, we have an open concept home, and so that's why I really wanted to bring the yellow and lemon theme throughout my entire downstairs space. And I think it all works together beautifully. Now, if you guys did not see part 1 and part 2 of the home tour series, I will have it linked in the description box down below for you to check that out, because you want to see the first 2 parts before you get to this last part. And I will have a whole house tour coming up next. So be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new here and click the notification bell so that you won't miss any videos. And for my faithful family members, you guys know I love you so very much. I truly appreciate all of your love and support, and I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.